In the event the insulation panels in the smoke chamber need to be replaced, follow these steps and ensure to handle the panels with care as they are fragile. Remove the upper brick panels for ease of installation. Remove the screws from the brackets and slide the rear panel out of the smoke chamber on both sides. Remove the screws from the lower brackets and remove the front lower panel. Remove the screws from the upper brackets and remove the front upper panel. Slide the top panel into the smoke chamber. Install the 4 brackets. Slide the front lower panel into the smoke chamber. Install the upper and lower brackets. Slide the side panels and then the rear panel into the smoke chamber. Install the brackets to complete the replacement.